Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. In this tutorial, we uncover the secrets within each scenery as we dive deep into the art history of Mother Nature. From the gentle rustle of sceneries in the wind to the mesmerizing patterns they create, this channel is your portal to a world where imagination intervenes with the beauty of the outdoors. Immerse yourself in the captivating world with Inspire Art Linkings. Join this channel on a visual odyssey as we transform the ordinary into the extraordinary, exploring the intricate beauty of natural sceneries. From vibrant pigment to delicate textures, each episode unveils the art history found within nature's tapestry. Subscribe now for a harmonious blend of creativity and the serene allure of the outdoors. Let Inspire Art Linkings be your guide on the enchanting journey where every scenery becomes a canvas and the art and nature dances in a perfect harmony. Prepare to be mesmerized as we delve into the intricacies of creating a captivating effects. Grab your pencils, unleash your artistic spirit, and let's craft a masterpiece that leaps off the page. Follow along with each stroke and discover the secrets behind transforming a simple sketch into a heartwarming visual delight. Without further ado, let the artistry begin. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video and also press the bell icon also. Thank you so much for watching this video.